Hi viewers, welcome back to bike servicing video. In this video, I will show you how to apply grease to your bike's side stand. First step is to clean the around surface of the joint using a cotton cloth. Then apply the grease recommended by your bike manufacturer. Apply it top side as well as downside and put the side stand and lift it for a few times to spread the grease along. The importance of applying grease is to avoid unnecessary rusting and also tightness we observe while we put side stand will get reduced. Thanks for watching. Many more bike self-servicing videos are available in my channel's playlist. Visit them to know more.